Hey guys, this is me Ishan, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how I become a five-figure entrepreneur from a laid back team. So yeah, this is not going to be a very regular tip or trick video that I usually share, but for sure you will learn things or two by the end. Because today I want to address an issue which is very common and can happen with anybody. So I hope you will align with that because do you know 30% of Americans are self-employed and rest still depends on their job for their finances, for their expenses, right? Or for today their day-to-day life. So in Asian countries like India, this percentage is even lower, and the people are still very afraid of entering into the business world. But what I witnessed in my life made a 9 to 5 job more scarier than a business. So I want to share that experience with you guys here. So I remember it was a late summer of 2010 and my dad came home from work at his usual time, and I and my brother were in a room playing Super Mario as usual. Everything was going as usual like a normal day, but not so long. Because I sensed something was not right, so I paused the game and I came out of my room and saw my mother in tears. And that sight of her, eyes filled with tears, told me something bad happened. And then I saw my dad's face and he looked broken. I have never seen my parents like that before. I immediately asked with a panic in my voice, what happened? And then my mom told me in a very breaking voice, Dad lost his job. And belonging to a middle class Indian family, we live our life from paycheck to paycheck. And now we lost the only income stream that we had. I was in my 10th grade at that time, living the life of a normal, careless teen. And but that day, something changed in me. I thought my dad almost gave half of his life to his job, and still he lost it in a snap. And being the eldest child in the house, I thought I have to change things. I have to do something that does not let my family suffer like this again. And that was, if not the turning point, but you can say a mental revolution in my life that ignite a fire of becoming an entrepreneur in my life and become an entrepreneur in me. Okay, and now in 2022, a huge number of people still live a financially insecure life depending entirely on their job. And after that event, the biggest learning in my life was not to depend on just one income stream. And now I think I am blessed with my life has taken a full circle. Today I am not just a five-figure business owner, but also a business coach. I am fortunate enough to help thousand people live a financially independent life by building their own profitable side hustle. Some of them even quit their job, but not with the tears, but with their own will, and build their own online business. So if you do want to learn how to build your business, you are the most welcome to join my training program. The link is in the description box below. I hope I will see you there. So also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye for now.